how are you? Today I'm going to be taking you along with me on what I eat in a day. So we have been staying at a lot of Airbnbs and we've been trying to cook a lot of our own food just because it's a lot more budget friendly, and I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, my diet has like completely gone out the window since traveling, and that's one thing I'm really excited for going home, is just getting back on a routine and getting consistent again with the gym. But yeah, today we're kind of just about to have a low-key day, so I thought I would share with you what I'm gonna be eating since we are gonna be cooking stuff here. So yeah, I just made breakfast, and pretty well every day we've sort of had a similar breakfast. So I'll show you guys what I'm having. I'm having some oatmeal here. It's just so quick and easy to do, and then I put on some granola on top, which also has some almonds in it, and then of course half of a sliced banana. And over here I have been on a mango craze. These are my favorite fruits, and I don't eat a ton at home just because they are really expensive. So I've been having a ton of mangoes, and obviously coffee. I have been doing a ton of instant coffee just because you can just do it with some boiling water, and that's always accessible. So yeah, this is breakfast. Alright, so we decided to go out for some lunch. There's just a cafe around the corner, and I got a veggie wrap. So this has eggplant, zucchini, what is that, tomato I think, and then feta cheese and lettuce, and an iced coffee.
And I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control.
Alright, for dinner tonight we are having a nice home-cooked meal, and I made my famous taco salad. So I'll just show you guys everything that we made. So for the salad we have lettuce, and then red kidney beans and corn, some chopped tomato, avocado, and then cracked pepper and salt on top. And then we are gonna add the nacho chips and ranch salad dressing. This is just some fried rice, and then over here crackers and cheese, and of course some wine.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy.
Alright guys, proof that my diet has fully gone out the window since traveling. We're just having a snack while watching Friends on TV, and I'm just having a tub of ice cream. So I got Ben & Jerry's The Tonight Dough, and this is a really good one actually. It's caramel and chocolate ice cream with chocolate chip cookie dough and peanut butter cookie dough. That's what's up. Kyle, what did you get?
I'm like already done mine. Cookies and cream cheesecake core.
Ooh, that's tasty.
Real tasty.
And that pretty much sums up what we ate today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!